Hey, what is up YouTube? I'm out here at the creek with another multi-tool review for you. Out here at the creek with the Roxon knife scissors. This is the newest version. This is the newest version of this multi-tool. As you can see, it has an exchangeable blade system with all those different options available to you. Now, this is the official name of the tool, right? KS knife scissors, and it comes with an adjustment tool, which is a Torx wrench, and instructions. Now here's a comparison between the older model and the newer model. This is the previous model. This did not have the exchangeable blade system, right? So you just had that one blade. I've used mine quite a bit, right? And it had those same large scissors. All right, so these are some of the blades that I have for mine. Now, not only do you have different blade shapes, but this, for example, is a file. It's a double-sided file. Not only will your blades fit the knife scissors multi-tool, but they will fit that folding knife and they will fit that multi-tool. Now, I will include the items and links for all of these. All right, if you want the specific item numbers of all those, that will be under the video. Now, as you see, I am partial to the more badass looking options. All right, so those are all pretty cool. This is like a serrated cutting blade. Now, they also have a utility knife blade, which I currently have installed in this multi-tool. But this will fit, right? This will fit this. So utility knife blade, that is another option. All right, one-handed opening on the scissors. Is it possible? I think so. Yeah, so you can open those scissors one-handed, no problem. All right, first things first, let's test out the shears, right? Got some paracord here. Yeah, you see that? There you go. Cuts very cleanly. They work with either hand too. Yeah, so those are excellent scissors. Alright, got some strap material. This is like a seat belt. Let's see what it does on this. Can you see that? Alright, sorry for the background noise. Alright, so this cuts it very well. I don't even have to hold the other end. Somebody asked a question about multi-tool scissors versus zip ties. Can this go through a zip tie? Well, absolutely. This will totally destroy zip ties, so that's your answer. Now, I have weighed this on my scale. It weighs 4.54 ounces. Also, about the opening slot, it looks like it wouldn't work, but actually it does work very well. And this is my offhand too. So that slot does work. There you go. So the blade length on this is going to be around 3 inches. Some honking visitors over there. So if you hear honking in the background, those are the culprits. Beautiful animals there. Yeah, that blade shape definitely reminds me of the spay blade on my Case Trapper knife. It is a partial flat grind. It has a high bevel there. The knife blade that this came with, you might have to smooth this out a little right out of the box, but let's just see. Alright, here is some bike tire tubing. There you go. Yet another strap. There you go. Alright, a piece of a box. Alright, here's the pocket clip. Here's the multi-tool in pocket. There you go. So is it tight or loose? I would say it's like slightly loose. Now, as far as how to exchange the blades, well, it has 2 locks right there. So you push them this way, right? You push the locks that way. So now it's unlocked. That allows you to just remove this, and now you can just remove the blade. Alright, so let's say you want to replace that blade with this blade. Basically, you just put it here, right? Then you take this, you put that there, right? Now make sure it's all lined up, and just press those lock switches right? Press those lock switches. All right, so now it's in there, right? It's in there. Make sure it's locking up securely, right? So that's how you do it. It has switches there, switches there. And you take that off, and so you can take this out. And so now this blade works in that new one too, right? So if I want to put this in there, I can do so. All right, where's my scale thing? Here it is. All right, and again, just press those switches. All right, make sure it's all lined up. All right, make sure it's locking up. So there you go. So you see that, you saw that they are fully interchangeable, right? That knife and this knife scissors, the blades are fully interchangeable among the entire system. And just to show you that even that utility knife is interchangeable, there it is. I installed it there, so it locks up. Yeah, so you can turn your folding knife into a folding utility knife, and that is very useful. Now, if any of your tools are loose, if there's any play, you might need to adjust with this Torx wrench that they include, right? So you can actually adjust that. So if there's any blade play, that can be fixed. Alright, so basically this thing kicks all ass. Yes, you can open it left-handed. It's a little more difficult, but you can. This thing, I'm very happy with it. The price was right. I did buy this myself. They did not send this to me. Right, it was only $20. As soon as I saw this pop up, I bought one because I already had the previous model, which I really liked, and this is just an upgrade. So definitely I recommend it.